The isinwheel GT4 Electric Scooter is an incredible ride for anyone looking for power, speed, and off-road capability all in one compact design. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link to this electric scooter in the description below at the best price. This scooter comes equipped with dual 1200W brushless motors delivering a combined 2400W output, allowing you to reach speeds up to 45 miles per hour with smooth acceleration and reliable performance. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling rugged trails, the GT4 handles it all effortlessly. The 12-inch inflatable tubeless off-road tires, combined with a dual swing-arm suspension system, ensure comfort and stability on rough terrain, making it a versatile choice for adventure and daily commutes alike. You can ride confidently, knowing the scooter can carry up to 330 pounds and withstand demanding conditions. Its 50-mile range on a single charge means you can cover long distances without constant recharging, while the IPX5 water resistance and smart battery management system protect against overcharging or overheating. One of the standout features is the smart app integration, which allows real-time monitoring of speed, battery life, and riding modes right from your phone. The 4-inch LCD display, full lighting system with dual front lights, turn signals, and ambient lighting not only looks modern but also improves safety during night rides. Braking is secure with a triple system, front and rear hydraulic disc brakes plus a hidden cutoff brake. The GT4 is foldable and easy to store, with a strong aluminum alloy frame and a 1-year warranty plus 6-month motor and battery coverage for peace of mind. While it's on the heavier side, the stability and durability more than make up for it. For anyone seeking a thrilling yet practical electric scooter, the isinwheel GT4 is worth checking out. Don't forget to click the link in the description below for the best deal and experience the ride yourself.